International Women's Day, I'd like to celebrate for two nanas. She cooks brilliant dinners and she reads amazing stories.
I want to talk about the Bronte sisters. They love writing and about literature, but they got told it was a man's business, but they kept working hard.
I love my mummy and her potato me, and I love her so much. A woman that I think is great is Ellen Keane. For starters, she lives down the road from us and she won a gold medal in the Paralympics. Be my life, right now in my life is my teacher, Linda Sweeney. I love my friend Caroline so much because she plays with me a lot.
This International Women's Day, I'd like to celebrate all mummies out there, but especially my mummy.
Countess Markievicz helped Ireland to be a better place by helping workers and the poor. She fought for women's rights and was the first Irish woman elected to Westminster. This is why my mummy's great. She's very strong because she never cries at movies like me and my daddy. She wasn't allowed to ride the bus to school. She had to walk all the way to school. And when she was older, she was allowed to ride the bus, but she had to go at the back. I admire her because she stood up for herself by sitting down.
I'm going to be talking about my mammy, who is an amazing person. I love her so much and every good word describes her.
Ma, I give me puddles when I'm sad. She thinks she's a bad cook, but I like her crispy lasagna and burnt garlic bread. She's great.
Happy Women's Day!
You do the best!